Today is Janessa's birthday. Happy birthday, Nessa.
Thank you, Mommy.
Let's open her presents.
I got this from the store. And
Who bought it for you?
It's my mom. My daddy. And let's open it. Let's get started. But you have to put this little thingy. And it turns the other way, but it's okay to turn this way. First you get the what? Wait, this is the paper.
What's that paper?
Wait, let me see. Wait, let me see. Let me get this piece off too. This piece. I can now just get this. Oh, that's the fireworks, guys. This is I'm gonna put this on. And like this now. This keeps being off. Mom, can I take this off? Because this keeps falling off like okay. Hi guys. Now let's get started. Wait, what?
The zipper.
We forgot this one. Oh, dang! We forgot the thing that you see. That's wrong. That's a fail.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Did you tell everybody you're having a birthday party next week? With a jumper and a big cake?
Nah, it's like this. Don't throw things away yet because they have secret clues.
Let's see what she got.
Wait, what? Wait. That's a fail. Because it didn't come with the thing you can see with. It says, don't throw it away. You say that. Guys, you have to see me open this. So, okay, and then the stuff over here in the garbage. That's a fail. It didn't fit. You put it over there. The garbage. Guys, now let's start breathing. I'm so excited. Let's do it right here. And then move these stuff so you can see better. Guys, let's get started. Mommy, look. Let's get started. Oh, first we're opening not the diet. We're opening these two. Wait, what was it? Oh, there it is! Oh, now it's there. It was good. It went inside the bottle. Let me see now. Let's see. Wait. Bunny ice. No, bunny ice. Let me see this.
Open the things because we have to open one of these because the video is going to be too long.
Away.
Show them what you got in the packages.
Let's say okay, guys, let's open this one now. I have earphones. She's so big. Can we see this one? Don't throw it away because... Wait, what? I have a secret clue right here. I say, don't throw it away because
Open another packet.
Secret clues. I have secret clues on this paper. I don't know why because
So she's opening her birthday present. She got 3 of these balls.
Oh, I got this cover.
This is how they come. And this is what it has inside. These are $9.99 plus tax. So she chose this as one of her birthday presents they gave her.
Oh, it has different.
And she's discovering what she got inside. And she also has 2 of these.
Look for the other prizes.
And these are also a mystery to see what did you get. She already has 2 of these, so we're hoping she doesn't get the same ones.
I know who this is. Spice.
Let me see.
Spice. Cat. Now it's time for this. No, wait, it's time for this now. No, last time I come for this one. Now it's time for this. I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3. Do it. Oh, it's not Spice Cat. It's Bun Cat. Mom, it's Bun Cat.
That one is Cozy Kitty.
Cozy Kitty.
Yeah. So it comes with this. It's like a where you check which animals do you get and what's coming up.
Even I get
These
that
are-
out of Wells.
Yeah.
The other ones
There's a
are-
couple of them.
The other ones have the dog.
And then in the back there's a little mystery that you have to figure out with those little lens she has.
Mm-hmm. They're really hard.
So it's a clue.
They're cool.
And now she's opening the kitty litter because the kitty needs 2.
Ooh. I know why. Because I need to. Oh, that one loading. My mom is holding you guys because you can hold it by yourself. So. These have different. Let me see how clues.
This is how it comes.
No clues. No.
And then it has a little cat,
Okay.
a litter.
Cool. This is time for this out. There's nothing in here, Mommy. Look it. Look at this. I feel something.
This is
What is this?
what came in
This.
everything inside.
Come on,
It's like this. It's not that big.
Open it this one, Mom. The check.
Cozy cat, I told you.
Wait, let me see. Let me see. It's this one.
So Janessa got this one.
This one right here?
And then this thing.
Because
You just go like this.
there's more stuff in here.
It's supposed to show you
Let me see.
to reveal a secret code or something.
Now for the lost cat. The lost cat, I got that.
I don't see nothing but. So this is how it looks. Janessa?
Wait, what? It didn't come with. It didn't come with shoes?
Cats don't use shoes.
No, they're due, but
Okay, guys, so this is what she got in her first ball. We're going to open one of these because we're going to end up the video and then she can finish opening the rest. And we'll let you guys know what she got. Can you open one of these and show them how you open them? And then you can open these after. Oh, yeah, guys, and this is her birthday candle. She's 5 years old and she will be using it in school because she has school and she'll take them to the classroom with a lot of stuff we bought here for her friends at school.
And
Yeah. So show them what you got in that one and then you can open the rest.
but the guys that see me, they're asking me open that one.
Yeah.
Open these.
Yeah, but first open that for they can see what comes inside there.
First, you have to take this paper off of there. That's hard. You have to tell parent, but not me. Because, guys, you know why you can't do this rip? Because it will like a fell. Because you can't rip it. Oh, you can slide it off. See,
So what the? Show them what came in that paper. No, the one that fell. Con las monas esas.
This is guys, this is a new collection for things, and look at. And guys,
So this one is like almost the LOL surprises. So you don't know what doll will you get. It is a collectible also by Sirius. And that's what you do. It says to pull, so she's opening it. Let's see what's inside.
Oh,
let me see.
Oh, it's the same house.
Let's see which doll's inside though.
No, it says open here first.
Excited.
That's you are my brother. He don't have a birthday.
Let me see. You're gonna show us what you got? Wait, let Janessa finish this and then you can let them know.
Let's say open here. Ooh, I didn't get the brush.
Ooh.
Can I open one?
No. You can open here. Yay. Now it's time for that one, guys.
So let them see what you're opening because they don't know what you're opening.
And I'll open this one now, guys.
So it says there, you go curl. So it's something curly.
Oh, wait. I got this. I didn't get this.
Ooh.
I got this. Hi, kitty.
Oh yeah, and that's
Socks. Guys,
Say to the
see
camera.
me now. Now let's open this one now. And now let's do this one.
So everything comes inside these little things that looks like a locker. You open the box like
Wait,
this.
what?
It goes.
I don't have these.
So hopefully,
I don't have this, Mom.
I think you're gonna get a new one.
And the same house. We have this picture. Let me see. The last one.
The Secret Genius.
Oh, wait. Is that a unicorn? It's a unicorn.
Horn?
Yeah, it's a horn.
A horn is just the yellow horn, not the ears.
Okay, let's check out what you got. Everybody ready for the doll?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I don't hear anybody. Is everybody ready?
Yeah!
Don't go too loud. It's in the middle of the night. Can I do the other one?
No, in mine.
Oh my god, I see some pink hair.
Okay.
Yep. It's gonna be a pink one. It's gonna be Pinkie Pie.
Oh my god. Show them. You didn't like her?
I do love her. I did get her. Let me put this on her.
Can I put on her boots?
No, I'll
Hi, Joe.
put on her thing.
Show your thing. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, Joel here. No, the video started like not too long. You put them backwards and they were just hanging up one side. I got this Fantastic Beast thing. And it's a dragon. Well, it's not basically a dragon. I forgot what that is. Open it. Oh yeah, today's Janessa's birthday.
That's why we went to the store at the middle of the night to get her gift.
Yeah, it was closing in 10 minutes, so. And I really wanted this toy. This one here.
Ness, let me see what you're doing.
This is bag 3.
So it comes in bags?
Yeah.
For the people that don't know how to do them, can you tell them how they know how?
Oh yeah. You use these instructions.
And then tomorrow when he comes back from school, we'll be doing a video of him building his Lego, showing you how to build them.
Fast forward since I'm not that big of a pro, but I saw these other ones over there at Walmart. They're actually pretty cool. The walking one, the spider one, and regular Harry Potter.
So if you guys don't know, Joel is a...
Harry Potter.
No, I was going to say you're really into Legos.
Yep.
So if you guys ever want to send him something or give him something,
Guess what, guys?
Legos.
Guess what, guys? He does love Legos.
And Pokemon.
These are 4. And
socks.
And
Like
Yu-Gi-Oh.
leche.
And
Socks.
Yu-Gi-Oh. I also like Yu-Gi-Oh.
What are you doing, Jennifer?
Putting the shoes on.
like the dragon. This is pack 1.
And Socks wants to know if somebody brought him something.
No, we didn't bring nothing for me, sorry.
So tomorrow, guys,
Hey,
after school, we'll see you here when Joel starts building his Lego. What is this called?
Lego Fantastic Beasts.
Okay.
The whole movie is Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them.
Hi, why are you calling me? I just want to...
Janessa, you're taking too long to put on a shoe.
Oh, let me show you.
Okay, bye, guys.
Oh, I'm going to just show you.
It's going to be a long video, and we don't want to watch Janessa just open her gifts, do we?
No.
No.
They want me to make this.
Alright, guys, so tomorrow we'll let you know what Janessa got in her next 2. Where's the other one? Pokeballs.
I'm opening
Oh, they're not Pokeballs, sorry. They're LOLs. Hey.
Look.
So this is what she got, which is pretty awesome.
It's Pinkie Pie, I told you.
And then
No.
she has 1 more of these to go. And 2 more of those LOL boxes. And these are 36 of them, so.
Guys,
She already has 3.
I'm sorry because...
Okay, who's gonna fish and knit us up?
Bye guys, if you like seeing more of our videos, come in tomorrow for me building this. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon just to be notified when every video pops up. And also make sure to hit the like button.
You get time to
watch
your videos because you're bringing one up of your camping trip.
Oh yeah, watch our videos since we're going on a camping trip.
And we'll take you guys along with us.
Oh yeah, next weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take you guys along on the camping trip.
And if you guys have any comments, leave them below. Let Joel know which is your favorite Lego box.
Guys, you know who is talking, guys? You know
Or if you recommend him getting any new Lego sets.
My mom is talking.
And Janessa, what do you guys think about her birthday presents? Tomorrow we'll show you a little clip of her cutting her cake in her classroom. If they let us record in her classroom. And Joel's gonna try to get out to get some of that cake.
Yeah, and try to get out of school. So.
Okay, what do you want to tell her for her happy birthday?
Happy birthday, Janessa. I hope you have a good presents, and now I'm gonna go to sleep.
Hug, birthday hug. Happy birthday, Nessa.
Thank you.
And her brother, what's her brother's name that won't say happy birthday? She's missing 2 brothers. Right, Janessa?
No, 3 brothers.
What's your brother's name?
Kitty, say happy birthday.
And Julio.
Oh, yeah. Julio's already asleep. All right, then. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you still recording?